Welcome to InvestoSphere, your trusted source for smart financial insights. Today, we're diving into a topic that every savvy traveler should know: the best travel credit cards with no annual fee. If you're looking to maximize your travel rewards without the burden of yearly fees, this video is for you. We'll explore top-rated credit cards that offer travel perks, rewards, and benefits, all without an annual fee. Whether you're a frequent flyer or planning your next vacation, understanding these options can help you make informed decisions and get the most out of your spending. So, let's embark on this journey to discover how you can travel smarter and more economically. 1. Understanding no annual fee travel credit cards. Before we delve into specific card recommendations, it's essential to understand what makes a travel credit card with no annual fee appealing. A no annual fee travel credit card allows you to earn rewards, such as points or miles, on your purchases without paying a yearly fee to maintain the card. These cards are ideal for individuals who want to earn travel rewards but may not spend enough annually to justify a card with a hefty fee. Key benefits include cost savings. No annual fee means you can keep the card open without worrying about recurring charges. Reward opportunities. Earn points or miles on everyday purchases, which can be redeemed for travel-related expenses. Credit building. Responsible use of these cards can help build or improve your credit score. Now, let's look at some of the best options available. 2. Top no annual fee travel credit cards. Capital One VentureOne Rewards Credit Card. Rewards. Earn 1.25 miles per dollar on every purchase. Sign-up bonus. 20,000 bonus miles after spending $500 in the first 3 months. Benefits. No foreign transaction fees, travel accident insurance, and 24-hour travel assistance services. Ideal for individuals seeking straightforward rewards without complex categories. Bank of America Travel Rewards Credit Card. Rewards. Earn unlimited 1.5 points per dollar on all purchases. Sign-up bonus. 25,000 online bonus points after spending $1,000 in the first 90 days. Benefits. No foreign transaction fees, and points can be redeemed for travel, dining, or cashback. Ideal for Bank of America customers who can benefit from additional rewards through the Preferred Rewards program. Wells Fargo Autograph Card. Rewards. Earn 3 points per dollar on categories like restaurants, travel, gas stations, transit, streaming services, and phone plans. 1 point per dollar on other purchases. Sign-up bonus. 20,000 bonus points after spending $1,000 in the first 3 months. Benefits. Cell phone protection, no foreign transaction fees, and access to Visa Signature Concierge services. Ideal for individuals who spend across various categories and want to maximize rewards. Chase Freedom Unlimited. Rewards. Earn 5% on travel purchase through Chase Ultimate Rewards, 3% on dining and drugstore purchases, and 1.5% on all other purchases. Sign-up bonus. Additional 1.5% cash back on all purchases on up to $20,000 spent in the first year. Benefits. Purchase protection, extended warranty, and access to Chase offers. Ideal for those looking for a versatile card that offers both travel rewards and cash back. Discover Miles. Rewards. Earn unlimited 1.5 miles per dollar on all purchases. Sign-up bonus. Discover will match all the miles you've earned at the end of your first year. Benefits. No foreign transaction fees, and miles can be redeemed for travel purchases or cash back. Ideal for new cardholders who want a generous first-year bonus and flexible redemption options. 3. Factors to consider when choosing a card. When selecting a no annual fee travel credit card, consider the following factors. Spending habits. Choose a card that aligns with your spending patterns to maximize rewards. Redemption flexibility. Ensure the card offers redemption options that suit your travel preferences. Foreign transaction fees. If you travel internationally, opt for a card with no foreign transaction fees. Additional benefits. Look for perks like travel insurance, purchase protection, and concierge services. 4. Tips for maximizing travel rewards. To get the most out of your travel credit card, pay your balance in full. Avoid interest charges by paying off your balance each month. Leverage sign-up bonuses. Meet the spending requirements to earn generous introductory bonuses. Utilize bonus categories. Use your card for purchases in categories that offer higher rewards. Monitor promotions. Stay informed about limited-time offers and promotions to boost your rewards. Traveling doesn't have to break the bank, and with the right credit card, you can earn rewards that make your journeys more affordable and enjoyable. We've explored some of the best no annual fee travel credit cards available, each offering unique benefits tailored to different spending habits and travel goals. Now, we'd love to hear from you. Which travel credit card do you currently use, and what has your experience been? Are there any other no annual fee travel cards you found beneficial? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to InvestoSphere for more insights into smart financial decisions. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for joining us. And here's to smarter spending and rewarding travels.